Welcome to the Order platform. You have already taken an important step. You made time to step back and look at how your business is running. This is not a program about what you did wrong. It is a guided path that helps you protect what you have built and lead it with more clarity. Many founders become the answer to every question. They approve every decision, solve every problem, and carry information that no one else has. The business may be growing, but the founder is carrying too much of the daily load. Order helps you change that without losing quality, control, or the culture you worked hard to create. Over the next few months, you will move through one complete order path. You will own your clock, review what makes you successful, develop systems that create playbooks, educate and empower your team to execute the systems. Then, replace yourself and review often. Each stage builds on the one before it, so you always know what to do next. No matter which membership level you selected, you have access to the full order path. Your level determines the size of your resource library and the support available to you. You do not need to complete everything at once. Follow the recommended step, use the tool in front of you, and build one useful business asset at a time. You will also be invited to free workshops and a private social media group. These spaces give you practical guidance, encouragement, and the chance to learn with other founders and business leaders. You are not the only person facing these challenges, and you do not have to solve them alone. The goal is not to remove you from your business. The goal is to reduce the business's unnecessary dependence on you. Your highest value is not answering every routine question. Your highest value is setting direction, protecting relationships, making high-value decisions, and creating the next stage of growth. As you build clear playbooks, your team gains confidence. Decisions become easier. Work becomes more consistent. You gain room to think, plan, rest, and lead. Founder freedom does not happen in one day. It grows as the business learns to move with less daily founder involvement. Begin with the Start Here page. Complete your founder dependency snapshot. Then choose one dependency point to address first. Order is not about doing less. It is about spending more time doing the work only you can do. Welcome. Let us bring order to your business.